Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and I have something really exciting in front of me. It's the Colour Rush Studio monthly kit from December. Now, I saw someone on YouTube do an unboxing of the kit, and I fell in love with it, and then rushed over to the Colour Rush Studio website to order it, and then found they didn't ship to Australia. So I was really disappointed. And on the off chance that they might have someone they send to in Australia, I contacted them and they came back and said, no, sorry, we don't ship to Australia. What did I want? And I said I wanted the December monthly kit because I saw someone unbox it and it was really, really beautiful and I wanted to see if I can order it. So the lovely Charla from Colour Rush Studios said, leave it with me. She came back about a week later and said, okay, we're setting it up in the background of the store and it should be available soon. And a couple of weeks went by and I thought, oh, they're not going to do much or do anything about it. Anyway, much to my surprise, I got an email saying it's all set up, ready to go, give it a test and see if it works. Well, I jumped on there straight away and ordered it and I was ever so pleased that I could get it. I won't be joining up to the monthly kit, the subscription, because at the moment finances are not adequate enough to let me do that, because in Australia with the conversion rate and the shipping it was a big investment for me. So but I'm ever so glad I got this one, and there will be the occasional one I will probably buy. I'm going to see what I can do and set money aside for it because I really love it. Now so I was over the moon that they went above and beyond so that I could order it from Australia. And now the good news is for all my Australian viewers, you can get stuff from them as well. And they have really cool stuff. They have an acrylic pack that you can get with the kit, all sorts of things. So go and check them out. So I wanted to unbox this kit today and show you all the gorgeousness. So we got this lovely striped tissue paper that it was sort of semi-wrapped in. That is definitely going to be put aside to use for a mixed media layout. And here we go. Now I haven't unpacked any of this. This is as it came in the box. So we will go through it together. Now I did just get the main kit. I didn't add on the acrylics, or I think there was something else you could get as well, the add-on kit. My budget just wouldn't stretch that far, unfortunately, but I love what's in here. So we have frazzles and ribbon, and I've seen a few people use these frazzles, and it's ribbon, like a cotton ribbon that's got like frayed edge. Sorry, it's really cute. Pastel pinks and mint greens, really, really beautiful. I love this pom-pom one. And this is a smaller pom-pom. So there's the website. I will have it listed below. It's colourrushstudio.com, and colour spelt the American way, not the Australian way with the U in it. So I'll have that linked below. Also, we got 3 puffy hearts, glitter puffy hearts in pink, blue and gold. They're called Bits and Pieces. Oh, look at that. You can use that in your scrapbooking as well once you've used these embellishments. That's really cool. And then, oh, I got a lovely thank you. Oh, that is so sweet. That's an acrylic word that I think it says ho, ho, ho. Let me pull that out and have a look. So they do lovely acrylic as well, which I really want to get, but I'm going to have to save up to add that to a kit somewhere along the line. Ho, ho, ho. Look at that. That is so cute. In the pretty pink. Love it. So that's a little thank you that they threw in. That's very nice of them. And then more bits and pieces. These are puffy fabric hearts. There's 6 in a pack, 3 pink, 3 mint green and 3 lavender. They're really cool. And then we have, oh, look at that. I love this. On the back of the packaging, you can reuse them. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh, that's really pretty. Nice. Okay, so these are die cut pieces. So let me tip them out. So Nutcracker is the theme, and of course I love nutcrackers, and pastel nutcrackers, so pretty. Let me just get all these out. Okay, so we have pastel trees, a beautiful door with the pine trees next to it. Now these are glossy, I've noticed. So they're a glossy paper. And then a little present, a little like a gingerbread house or a little cottage. Beautiful. And of course our nutcrackers. A bauble. More nutcrackers. Oh, lots of beautiful nutcrackers. Oh, another bauble. Some cute gingerbread men, gingerbread girl and a gingerbread man. Merry Christmas. Oh, a car with presents on top. More presents and another present and another car. Cool. And another gingerbread man. Bauble. Presents. A bell. That's pretty. And more gingerbread men. A snowman. Oh, he's really cute. Another car. A stocking. Another stocking. Another car. And a bauble. Oh, they're really nice. I'll put them away later. And then we also got this piece of mesh. It's like a mint green. You can probably see the colour better if I scrunch it up. Beautiful mint green. Perfect for mixed media, which is great. I do want to get into mixed media a lot more in 2025. And these gorgeous glitter alpha stickers. These are thickers. And they're actually like pink. Can you see the side? They're like pink foam with the silver glitter on top, which makes it look mauvey pinky. Oh, really pretty. I like them. Very nice. And then some epoxy buttons. Cool. Snowman, Holly Jolly, nutcrackers, the car, Merry Christmas, and a present. They're really nice. And then the papers. So I'm going to turn these sideways, I think. So we have nutcracker, the car, the Christmas trees. Beautiful. And they're double-sided. Gorgeous green with white dots. And more icons of the gingerbread house, the nutcrackers, the snowman, the bells, and a lovely, wow, this is really thick paper. I was going to say a really lovely stripe on the back, but check out how thick this paper is. Oh, wow, you don't get paper like that anymore. That is awesome. And another icon one. Sorry, Merry Christmas. I can't read upside down. What does that say? Ho, ho, ho. And the nutcrackers and the car. Lovely check. And this paper has a slight sheen to it. It's not matte, but it's not ultra shiny, but it does have a sheen. Love this one. All little nutcrackers in a row on little doilies. Oh, so cute. And oh, lovely, like a snowflake pastel blue colour print there. Lots of presents. Nice stripe. Oh, look at these baubles. Like a watercolour baubles with a star background. Oh, so pretty. And then a lovely check. More presents. I think we're repeating now. Oh no, that's different on the back. Lovely beige bone with the white pattern. More of the little symbols. They're like got postage stamp frames around them. And then the green and white dot. The nutcrackers and the Merry Christmas. The stripes. The nutcrackers. The check, and now we've got a big page of presents. The other one was baubles. This is like your watercolor presents. Very nice. And that same stripe, and then a lovely pastel stripe with the stars, and then like your cut aparts on the back, tags and cut aparts, and a couple of stripes down here. Well, I am ever so happy that I got this collection. Hopefully it's still available. If you jump over to the Colour Rush Studio website, take a look. And remember, we do have shipping now, or they do have shipping now to Australia. And I'm ever so pleased that I contacted them and asked. Because a lot of other suppliers or shops and stuff that are not in Australia, that are overseas in US or the UK, they'll go, no, sorry, we don't. That's the end of story. And it's like, tough luck. Our suppliers over here are limited because postage is so much, and a lot of the our bricks and mortar shops are closing. Another one's just closing before Christmas. It's been around for a while. And I think there's like one left in Brisbane. And I remember there used to be at least 5 up here. So I've been up here for 7 years, and I know that, this will be the 3rd one that's closed in the just north side of Brisbane. Well, this one's not north, but it's sort of. But yeah, 3 in the Brisbane area that have closed in the last 7 years. So, and then you've got the online, and the onlines don't seem to have such an extensive range sometimes, or they get a very limited quantity in. So it's really helpful when you can get something from overseas and they're willing to post it. I'm willing to pay the postage. It doesn't mean I'm going to be a top customer and order all the time, because I do have to factor in like $35 of postage every time. So I do have to make sure my orders are worth it to get, best value for money with my postage. But I'm willing to pay that postage. And a lot of other people are willing as well. We just need other people to want to ship to us. So fantastic that Colour Rush Studio now will ship to Australia. So I encourage you to pop over, have a look at their website, and yeah, spoil yourself, buy yourself a Christmas present. Now, I will say that this is probably my last video for this year. I'm taking a little bit of a break, and I'm going to take advantage of the Christmas break and actually still record, but it'll be for next year. So I have a whole lot of stuff I'm doing next year, new collaborations, lots more YouTube hops and things that I'm doing. So my calendar is very, very full for next year, and I will have lots and lots of videos coming your way. But I'm going to take a little bit of time off from posting things so I can actually get a head start on next year's videos. And yeah, so if you're watching this and it's before Christmas 2024, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and I hope you have a wonderful time. If you have liked this video, please like and hit that thumbs up for me, and subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes up, and you're not going to want to miss any next year, because I have a lot in the pipeline. So thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.